So this is what everything looks like, guys. So guys, in one of my previous videos, I bought one set of these. This is actually for my mom now. I told you guys that I wanted every single one of them. I found a few. This is the 3 sections. We'll get into this just now. This is 3 bowls for 100. Had to get one of that. And this is their 5-piece set. I got this from a different seller, but it's 5 small little mini pots. So let's see what they look like. So this is what the pot set looks like. Some of them still has their plastic. I need to peel this off. But look at how gorgeous this looks. I love them. This is a yes for me. So guys, these are all of the pot sets that I ordered. The ones to the back are the 5-piece for 100, and the ones to the front with the glass tops are 120 for 3 pieces. They look gorgeous. There goes the pot sets, guys, looking all cute. I love them. On to the next. So these are the 3 sections. They came like this. They all come with their own plastic wrapping. There you go, guys. 3 sections. Oh my goodness. So if you want to have all your dishes like separate, Up next we have the 3 bowls for 100. Let's see what we get. The lids. These are what the 3 bowls look like with their lids. So these 3 pieces, 2 sections, are these right here. This is so gorgeous. These are the 5 sections. You get 2 squares. Get a bigger size. So there we have it, guys. Beautiful. So this one is the 3 sections. 3 of these for 160. You have the 2 sections. 3 of these for 120. We have 3 sizes of these bowls for 100. And here we have the 5 piece for 185. How beautiful. So this is what everything looks like, guys. Quick overview of all the items that I got at Passad's. So we have 3 tins of baked beans, 4 tins of tuna, 4 tins of peas and carrots, 4 tins of green peas, rice, pimento. These supposed to be 4 for 20. I'm now checking and seeing that I only have 3, so which means they charge me $6.99 for 1. What is that? So we have 3 packs of the carrots. We have 1 bag of all-purpose flour. We have 6 packs of these. Coffee. We have 2 packs of these chocolates too. 4 packs of the macaroni assorted. We have 2 packs of these fruit cups. 2 packs of frosted flakes, 4 packs of these biscuits. We have 8 packs of these cheese balls. I love these cheese balls. We have 4 juices, and we have 2 packs of these chocolate biscuits. Love them. So this is my mini grocery haul from Passad's. So this is what the cupboard looks like before. I need to find space to put all of these items. This is what the next cupboard looks like. So we don't have any space in here, but maybe I could pack some snacks right there. This large container, I'll just put some of the rice and macaroni and anything else that could fit in there. So these two items staying right here. This is what inside the cupboard looks like now. I just added the snacks, and on this side I just added whatever could fit, and that's it. So we have this section as well. Pumpkin seeds, can't pronounce this one, sesame seed, chia seed, we have oats, we have 2 types of granola, well actually 3 types of granola, so, and we have cereal. So let's make a breakfast, but I want a breakfast with oats and all of these toppings. So guys, let's have a quick breakfast. I'm starting with the oats and chia seeds. I'm letting that soak in some hot water for like about 10 minutes, and then we will add all the other ingredients.